Okay, PARCA Technical Section 3.2 covers basic SQL knowledge and basic SQL commands. And SQL is often just called SQL. So SQL is SQL, SQL is SQL. Basic SQL knowledge. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is a database language used by programmers to perform functions in a database. SQL is the most commonly used database language. Various relational databases that use SQL are Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, and Sybase. SQL uses statements to query and retrieve and update data. So here is a SQL statement. So the first line says select asterisk. Select asterisk means select all. So we want to pull all the data. Where do we want the data from? We want it from the table called pets. So pull all data from the table that is named pets. And then it has a conditional statement where pet name equals fetch. So what you would get in that SQL query is you would get all of the information about the pet whose name is fetch. And that's how you would write it. So again, it's select all from table pets where pet name equals fetch. SQL functions. The most common SQL functions are select, insert, update, delete, create, and drop. And hopefully you can intuitively figure out what each of those do, right? So select chooses a record, insert puts a record in, update updates a record, delete removes a record, create creates a record, and drop drops the table from that database. So if you need to remove a whole tab, again thinking Excel, you would use drop. So if you need to change a patient's name in a SQL database, which function would you use? Update. Update would be the right choice there. SQL commands. Commonly used SQL commands are select from, select column, select count, select distinct, select from where, inner join, that allows you to join tables together, last insert, order by date, date time. So we haven't seen any SQL command questions on the certification exam yet, but they do put that information in there, so it's possible that there is some questions about SQL commands. We just haven't seen any on any of the exams that students before you have taken. So thank you for watching.